Once upon a time, in a mystical land far beyond the mountains and across the seas, there lived a magnificent lion named Simba. He was no ordinary lion, his golden mane glowed like the first rays of dawn, and his emerald eyes shone with a wisdom that transcended time. Simba was respected and admired by all the creatures of the kingdom, for he led with fairness and kindness, ensuring harmony prevailed. One day, while strolling through the lush savanna, Simba felt an unfamiliar feeling tugging at his heart. He longed for a profound understanding of life and the universe. He wanted to know the secret to making the right decisions, both as a ruler and in his personal journey. With this burning question in mind, Simba decided to embark on a quest to find God, the source of all knowledge and wisdom. He set out on a journey that would take him through treacherous terrains, vast deserts, and dense forests, facing numerous challenges along the way. As he roamed the lands, Simba encountered various creatures seeking guidance from him. With compassion, he listened to their troubles and offered words of wisdom. Little did he know that these encounters were preparing him for his ultimate rendezvous with the divine. After months of relentless travel, Simba arrived at the foot of a towering mountain, said to be the dwelling place of God. With great humility, he began his ascent, each step echoing his determination and faith. On the summit, he found a serene temple bathed in a celestial glow. Kneeling before the temple, Simba bowed his head and asked the question that weighed heavily on his heart, "O great Creator, how do I make the right decisions in life?" In the stillness of the moment, a gentle breeze whispered through the temple, carrying a response that only his heart could understand. "Trust in the balance of the universe, for it holds the answer you seek," the wind seemed to say. Feeling a sense of clarity, Simba descended the mountain, carrying with him the newfound revelation. As he journeyed back to his kingdom, he pondered the meaning of this message. Along the way, he encountered an old tortoise, slowly inching its way across the path. Observing the tortoise's unwavering determination, Simba was reminded of patience and the importance of taking one step at a time. He realized that hasty decisions often led to regret, while thoughtful actions bore the sweetest fruit. Continuing his journey, Simba crossed paths with a mighty eagle soaring high above the clouds. The eagle's majestic flight inspired him to broaden his perspective and look beyond the immediate horizon. From this, he understood that wise decisions required looking at the bigger picture, and considering the consequences of his choices on others and the kingdom. As he approached his homeland, Simba encountered a group of playful meerkats. Their camaraderie and joyous spirit reminded him of the significance of companionship and the value of seeking counsel from trusted advisors. He knew that decisions made collectively would stand stronger against adversity. Finally, he reached the borders of his kingdom, where his loyal subjects eagerly awaited his return. Simba gathered all the animals, and under the shimmering moonlight, he shared the wisdom he had gathered on his quest. He spoke of patience, perspective, and the strength of unity. He emphasized the importance of introspection, seeking guidance, and trusting the balance of the universe. From that day forth, Simba's kingdom prospered like never before. The creatures lived harmoniously, and their hearts were filled with gratitude for their wise and compassionate leader. In every decision we make, let us remember the lessons of Simba's journey. Life presents us with challenges and uncertainties, but by embracing patience, widening our perspectives, seeking guidance, and trusting the natural order of things, we can find the answers we seek. Just as Simba found solace in the words of the wind, so too can we find guidance within ourselves and from the world around us. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, and let the wisdom you gain be the compass that guides you through the trials and triumphs of life. Trust that every experience, every encounter, and every emotion are threads woven into the intricate tapestry of your existence. Embrace them with an open heart, and you will find the strength and clarity to navigate the path ahead. Remember, You are the author of your story, and every decision you make shapes the narrative of your life. Embrace the power of your choices, for they have the potential to ignite the spark of greatness within you. Like Simba, lead with compassion, courage, and wisdom, and may your journey be one of purpose, growth, and unyielding determination.